Ultra offers you flexible deployment options. Your SoftGuard license can be installed on a physical server, a virtual server, or a cloud hosting. Ultra includes a main license for your operational servers and a backup license as part of your contingency plan. Additionally, you will not have any limits on the number of operator workstations for event management, nor on the number of monitoring accounts. These are the modules included with Ultra: web monitoring, video verification, technical service, logger for call recording, dealer web access, client web access, MoneyGuard for billing and collections, authorities report, CRM, TrackGuard for GPS tracking, manager web access, fence manager, access control and visitor management, URL launcher, and landing page. These are the mobile apps included with Ultra: Smart Panics, VG Control, Cleanup, TechGuard, and Smart SMS.